We're here at MODEX 2022. And of course, MHS is going above and beyond. Let's go check it out. MHS is in the building representing. I'm here with Antonio. We're here at the service portion of your amazing booth, and we're talking about maintain, optimize, support, and modify. What are you looking to achieve when your customers step into this pod here?
So what we are really looking to do is, from the very beginning, we visit our customers, check out their situations, check out their equipment, assess what they have going on, what they need, talk about possible modifications, talk about upgrades, see what might best serve them.
Well, I noticed there's 24/7, 365 days support. Could you elaborate on that?
That is absolutely exactly what it sounds like. 24/7, we are always available. We have call centers right here in the US where we are waiting to take calls. We have engineers and our technicians around the clock ready, doesn't matter what day.
So we're talking here at Services, maintain, optimize, support, and modify. Can you elaborate a little more on optimize?
It's all about making sure that their equipment, their system works, whether that's a certain amount of throughput, whether that's a certain amount of uptime on their equipment. We are here to make sure that they are able to achieve those goals they need. Maintenance is a big one. We offer residential maintenance. We offer spot maintenance. So what that means is a customer can call us up, let us know that they have a problem with their equipment. We're out there. You'll have a lot of customers who they have these facilities. They've been working amazingly for a long time. They have equipment that may have been the latest and the greatest at that point. That equipment, that older equipment, we can replace it with the new, better equipment. If they've got equipment that is failing, we'll offer an assessment. We'll take track of what's going on, what do they need, how much longer does it look like that equipment may work, and then recommend what is best.
When you talk about someone who's been dealing with the same equipment for years, now they're dealing with new technology. How does your support come into effect?
That is a great question. The biggest part of that is training. We have world-class trainers. Their entire job is being with the customer, getting them the information, everything they need to know on the equipment they have or our equipment. The new equipment we put in, we have experts. Our subject matter experts are the top in their fields. They know how to get the job done. And then most importantly, they know how to pass that knowledge to someone else.
Great. Thank you so much, Antonio. Looking forward to so much more with MHS above and beyond.
Above and beyond, always.